The lady on your left.
કેવામાં આવે છે એ સામા આવે છે ને We got 1 more minute to go.
Yes.
और जैसे आपको बोला है हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करते रहना. हाँ?
Okay. बिल्कुल.
Amrita, you'll introduce yourself
Okay.
in brief.
Okay, folks, time to start. Janice, could you do the prayer, please?
Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Beloved God, help us all to love. Beloved God, help us all to love you more and more and more and more and still yet more till we become worthy of union with you, and help us all to hold fast to Baba's Daman till the very end. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai.
Okay, Jai Meher Baba, everybody. Welcome to our Thursday session with Meher Baba. The beginning, I'd like to invite our one and only Lord Meher Baba to please come and join us. Not only just join us, but to take over the proceedings of this entire session. Let everything happen as per your wish, Baba. सब कुछ संभाल लेना. हम लोग दोनों बहुत nervous है. The speaker as well as the one spoken to, दोनों nervous है. तो आप संभाल लेना. Today we have with us a very good-looking lady, if I may say, and Jimmy Khan agrees with me. Her name is Amrita. She is from Billai originally. Billai steel plant, most of us know. So she is originally from there. She did her studies in Nagpur, and she was with TCS until some time, and now she is taking a sabbatical, and thodi din ke baad she will become the chairman of some big company very shortly. So she has been participating in the Savas at Mehrabad, and she has some very nice stories to share about herself and Baba. So over to you, madam. Go ahead and take us through the journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sam Uncle. First of all, to begin with, I would like to thank our beloved Meher Baba for providing me this opportunity to be here on the platform of Thursday's evening from Mumbai Center. I'm really glad to be here and truly, truly feel blessed. So, and also I'd like to thank Janice D. Through your source, Baba chose me to be here and to be on this session. So I'll keep it very simple and very easy. This is the way I like things, so I'll keep it that way. I'll keep it both in English and Hindi, just to add up to the zest. because Hindi has its own essence. And I'll keep this sessions in episodes, in segments, I would say. And किस्सों में मैं इसे रखूंगी और let's go through it. So to begin with, um, how come I come into the contact with our beloved Baba? How I got rolled into Baba's fold? So I'll take you back to the days when I was just a growing child. My mother was actually the true source of me introducing to Baba. That she was my immediate contact. And while growing up, I've seen my mother dedicatedly praying and sincerely being there with Baba. So I saw Baba's picture since childhood when I was barely 6 to 7 years old. Um, in our temple, where I'd call it Puja Ghar. My mother bought Baba's picture at home, and I could see altogether a new God as a child. And beneath that picture, I could see written Avatar Meher Baba. And I just wonder how I left Avatar. I eliminated Meher, and what caught my attention was the word Baba. And of course, but the Baba, the our mind is already hardwired while growing up that Baba is some kind of imposter. We see Baba हमेशा ढोंगी होता है. So this was my imagination for Baba, and I completely hated this word in particular. Uh, and then, of course, with it, I had questions arising in my mind. Why is this photograph here? Who is he? Who is this person? Where from? Kahan ke Baba? Kaun Baba? And all this. So this is the entry of Baba in my mind and in my life also. But I hated it. I totally hated it. I absolutely. And then there comes the quotes. The very first and absolute quote, which I still see, and it's very common. Real happiness lies in making others happy. Do your best, and then be happy in my love. Don't worry, be happy. These are the quotes, and these are like, okay, as a child, as like quotes to अच्छे हैं. But then again, I come down to the word Baba, which I did not like. So I've actually written everything down so that I should not miss on any part of which I want to convey. So again, coming back to the point, then the real struggle starts as a
Sorry to
child.
interrupt. थोड़ा सा हिंदी भी जरा roll in ना. Thank you.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So जैसे जैसे मैं बढ़ रही थी as a kid who is born in a spectacular country like India, जहाँ पे आपके पास you get introduced to n number of god and goddess, करोड़ों देवी देवता, and इतने साल आपको वो दिखाते हैं कि these are your gods. Like we know Ram, Krishna, um, Jesus and Lakshmi, ये Durga, ये हमारे भगवान हैं. And then all of a sudden, I got to know, and there is an entry, there is a new god in our home, which is called Meher Baba. So my mind goes like, अच्छा तो ये नए आए हैं, ठीक है, रखे हुए हैं, देख रही हूँ. And naturally, you wouldn't believe जो अभी अभी नए आए हैं तुम्हारे लाइफ में, वो आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे. और एज अ चाइल्ड मैंने it was completely a different story. I never paid attention to Baba. Whenever I heard his name, his prayers, I heard my mother praying since childhood, and इसी के थ्रू मैंने बाबा की प्रेयर्स सीखी है और वो बाय हार्ट हो गई है अभी. सो ये सुनते सुनते आई नेवर टुक अ बुक एंड बाय हार्टेड इट. It was just because of my mother. So, and I'll tell you again one thing that as a child, my absolute favorite god was Ganesha. Again, has a reason. Why Ganesha? Ganesh, elephant-headed, an elephant god, has a trunk, looks good. So that is why, and of course, he's a god of wisdom. आपको बुद्धि देंगे, सद्बुद्धि देंगे. ये कहते हुए, I liked him a lot. So, and adding to this, again, there are questions. मेरे पास हमेशा ये क्वेश्चंस होते थे. इज गॉड इवन रियल? डज ही इवन एग्जिस्ट? अगर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं तो कहाँ है? व्हाई कांट वी सी देम? व्हाई कांट वी फील हिम, हिज प्रेजेंस? अगर हम प्रे कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि नॉर्मली आपको आपके पेरेंट्स प्रे करने के लिए कहते हैं. आप कहते हैं कि आप प्रे करिए, यू विल गेट थिंग्स. यू प्रे होल हार्टेडली, प्रे सिंसियरली, बट देन यू डोंट रियली डू दैट. एंड मैंने अब तक ऐसा नहीं किया, कभी भी नहीं किया, टिल द टाइम आई रियलाइज दैट बाबा इज sorry for the interruption. I got a call. Am I audible?
Go ahead.
So, where was? So I did not believe the fact that God exists. क्योंकि sorry again. So it took me years actually. So that phase, that whole childhood phase, I would say not completely, but somehow, somewhat, it was gone into an ignorance phase, but towards Baba. But then still, I was in contact with Baba through my mother, because she would pray. She would also make me pray forcefully, and I had no choice but to do it. This is how it went for years. I would just simply make grumpy faces throughout, and I would say, "क्यों मुझे prayer करनी पड़ रही है? क्यों? I don't want to say Baba. I don't want to listen Baba. It sounds fake to me. It is not real." With all, and I would not pray with all my heart. That is how it was. So with that, I'll come to what such happened with me, and what gave me the conviction that Baba is real, and Baba is God in human form. Well, of course, as I told, it took me years and years to believe that Baba is there. Baba exists, and the belief, the firm belief, which I wanted, which all of us want, a firm belief, a solidification, a solid feeling that God is there. Because obviously, I have not seen Meher Baba. There are people out there who has seen Baba, who has been with him, who experienced his presence in person. And someone like me, who has so many questions popping up every time in head, would definitely not believe about God. Simply because I've never seen it. For example, I would say, as a child and till now, I never believed on ghosts, that there is any kind of superficial or negative energy which is present, simply because of the reason I never experienced it. Experience is all you need to have belief. So, and this was the same with Meher Baba. I have not seen him. I have not experienced it. So there is no Baba. So I got this. I have a very beautiful experience to share, and this happened when I attended Sehvas last year. That was my very first Sehvas. There, I got to experience this event Well, Sehwas in itself is a whole different, and it is something else. It is an experience. It is something else. Of course, you can put it in words, in your thoughts, your feeling towards the event, but then it is a whole together different experience you have. Um, just a minute. I would need 1 minute. Yeah. So yeah, I feel very blessed that I have something very special, very close to my heart to share. I have never shared this with anyone except my mother and my sister. She was the witness, and she knew by that. And my mother was the next person whom I shared this with. So so what happened is we were into the routine, and this one fine day, we all Sehwasis went uphill for to the Samadhi for our darshan, and I was standing in a queue, waiting for my turn, um, waiting for my turn, and there was this girl who was standing just in front of me. So she went in the Samadhi room, and she was taking her darshan. I was just waiting for my turn to come, and I saw her doing her darshan. And what she do is she just lean down. What हम normally क्या करते हैं, हम अपना सर झुकाते हैं, हम अपना सर टिकाते हैं. We are on our knees, and we say what we have to say, we pray, and we leave. So this girl, she placed her head on samadhi, and she leaned back. So उसने ये किया था, हिंदी में ज्यादा अच्छी से समझ आएगा ऐसे, वो साष्टांग दंडवत कर रही थी. She was all straight in the samadhi, and back in my mind this mischievous thoughts were running कि इतना क्या करना पड़ता है, इतना करने की क्या जरूरत है, इतना नमस्कार क्या करना. So this happened. She took her darshan. She left. Now it was my turn. I bent my knee. I was on my knees. I put my head on the samadhi. And what happened next? Till date, I am very stunned and very, very surprised. जैसे ही मैं अपना दर्शन लेती हूँ, मैंने अपना सर रखा है समाधि पे, मेरी पूरी बॉडी अपने आप पीछे गई है. एंड इट वाज इन द सेम पोस्चर एज द अदर गर्ल जस्ट डिड एंड लेफ्ट. मैंने वो पोस्चर किया, एंड आई वाज अगेन बैक टू माय स्टैंडर्ड दर्शन वाला पोजीशन. एंड दिस हैपेंड. आई सेड नथिंग, एंड आई came out of samadhi room. And I just went on to take prasad, and I stand outside waiting for my sister was right behind me. She said she's seen everything. She came back to me and she said, Didi, what was that you just did inside? I was like, I have no clue. I did not do it. It just happened automatically. जो भी हुआ अपने आप हुआ. I am surprised. I'm really surprised. मुझे भी नहीं समझ आया कि अंदर क्या हुआ. So at that very point of time, I feel Baba was the one who made me do it simply to make me believe, that मैं हूँ और इतना करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. ये टाइम है जब मैंने आपको सीधा कर दिया है. लिटरली मैं वहां पे सीधी थी और मैं सीधी होके बाहर निकली. So yeah, this was the incident, and I had no mindset of doing any sort of thing. It was the whole thing happened very effortlessly because इसको करने के लिए मेरा body weight इतना है कि वो easily नहीं हो सकता. So it went like that, and I could not feel anything. It was very smooth and easy. And I felt like airlift. वो इतना ऐसा लग रहा था कि किसी ने मुझे airlift किया है at that moment of time. It was as light as that. So I understand everything. When I came out, I gave a second thought to what just happened. I was amazed. So this was the time when I had a firm belief and conviction that Baba is there. Her yeah, this is all it is about. After all, Baba is Baba, and its whole thing is like that. And I have one more experience to share. I just need 1 minute. Yeah. So the second experience I have from my second Sehwas, which happened this year. Um, it was the last day of our Sehwas, and again I was with my sister. We both were heading towards समाधि, वो final एक दर्शन के लिए before going to our destination, हम समाधि जा रहे थे. While walking towards the path, and we were all, engrossed in our chit chatting. We were having words. All of a sudden, we both stopped to see something, or I don't know. We just stopped. We saw to our left, and there was a table kept where Baba worked, where he wrote books, and where he did his solitude work. So we saw that, and what we saw just doubled our gladness. It was we could see Baba's bright, smiling face, and it was big enough to take into the consideration. And I was surprised, I was shocked कि जो मैं देख रही हूँ ये सही है या नहीं. It was all smiley. I will show you the photograph which I saw. Here, Baba is smiling very, very softly, but there I could see a big smile. Baba with long hair and all his absolutely sharp features. I could see that. And just to confirm this, I immediately asked my sister, is she able to see the same what I'm seeing? And she said, yes, I can see that too. And we both were stunned. We stood there and kept on gazing what we could see. And there were two more people. So just to confirm, we asked them also, and they said no, we are not able. But then if you are able to see, then it's definitely Baba who is showing you. And this is the way that he's telling you that he is happy with both of you, both of your work, and something to that extent. In general, they told us. So that is my second experience, which I had. I absolutely admire and cherish it. So after I'll come to this.
1 minute, Amrita. We will take a small pause.
Okay.
तो कुछ सवाल पूछना है अब तक जो भी इन्होंने बताया है. Does anyone want to ask any questions?
Yeah, Sam, Jimmy
Go
here.
ahead. Go ahead, sir.
अमिता, आप जो आप तक बतलाया बहुत अच्छे ढंग से बतलाया, लेकिन मुझे लगा कि आपके बोलने में बहुत बड़ा गैप हो गया. इन द सेंस, एक दफे आप बोले कि क्या मुझे परेशान कर रही है, ये बाबा बाबा की प्रेयर कराई रही है, और दूसरी तरफ आपने डायरेक्ट जंप मारा कि मैं सवास में गई. तो बहुत पूरा. आई होप यू विल फिल इट अप. Okay, that's
Yeah,
it.
I'll come to that. I'll definitely come to that.
Okay. Okay.
No. That is not a problem. I'll come to that while approaching towards the end. I'll definitely come to that part.
Anybody else? कोई सवाल? Okay, carry on. Amrita, go ahead.
Yeah. So yeah. After recognizing I'll also add up the changes what I felt in personal life as Baba lover. So I definitely felt changes. I could feel many, in fact, from a hater to lover. So yeah, the moment I started, I told how I hated his name, his prayers, and I absolutely did not like the fact that this person is in our home and we are worshiping him. This changed me from a hater to a lover, from being a Ganpati lover to a Baba lover. This was the major change. I absolutely hated to pray, but from this, where I have been forcefully made to pray, to the time where I assure to the clock to hit 7, and there I pray wholeheartedly and allow myself to completely absorb in prayer. To Baba, to see Baba, this is also a change. When being completely into a situation where you are into an absolutely unknown place, I got to see Baba. When I'm perplexed, I'm nervous, I'm to a place where I know no one, I could see Baba. I could see his pictures, I could feel his presence, I could see mm, how he's helping me. And from being a restless person, this is also a change which I would like to tell. From being a restless person to being a calmer, more a different person I was. This is normal. And I sit and talk to Baba. I ask questions. As a human being, we tend to ask more and more questions. We seek answers. We have questions and we want answer to our questions. So gradually, I started getting this over the period of time through situation, through events. This was the way of Baba giving me all sort of answers. So from having a hateful gesture to having a lovely nazar, the way Baba has for all of us, this was a major change. And all of this I've noticed over a period of time. So some circumstances are such where Baba, where we the situation makes us a furious person. At the time, the answer I used to just be a person where if someone is provoking me, I would give an answer without having a second thought. Now it has all changed, and I tend to listen first and then I answer. I give a response. Um, so my behavior is all changed after realizing that Baba is there. Baba is present there. So these are the changes. I think I would now like to present a song for Baba. Um,
Yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, and I would like to join if that would be great if anybody would join. And I also want to tell that I've been introduced to this song uh, in Sehwas. In my first Sehwas, and I got to know, and I was very surprised that there are songs, and there are beautiful song composed and written uh, for Baba, by Baba Premis and Baba lovers. Uh, so I'd just go ahead. I had no clue at the point of time that these beautiful songs, actually exist. So yeah, the title of the song is I Walk with the King. In sorrow I wander, my spirit oppressed, but now I am happy. Securely I rest from morning till evening. Glad carols I sing, and this is the reason I walk with the King. I walk with the King, Meher Baba. I walk with the King, praise his name. No longer roam, my soul faces home. I walk and I talk with the King. For yes, in the fetters of sin I was bound. The world could not help me. No comfort I found. But now, like the birds and the sunbeams of spring, I'm free and rejoicing. I walk with the King. I walk with the King, Meher Baba. I walk with the King, praise his name. No longer I roam, my soul faces home. I walk and I talk with the King. Oh, solely a despair in the low life or strife. Look up and let Baba come into your life. The joy of his love to you he would bring. Come into the sunlight and walk with the King. I walk with the King, Meher Baba. I walk with the King, praise his name. No longer I roam, my soul faces home. I walk and I talk with the King. I walk and I talk with the King. I walk and I talk with the King. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai.
Amrita,
Hmm?
I just narrate an incident which has come to my mind.
Okay.
ये काफी सालों पुरानी बात है. हमारे सेंटर पे एक जवान लड़का है जिसका नाम है दानिश ईरानी. उनके ग्रैंडफादर गुजर गए थे, तो हम लोग उनकी फ्यूनरल पे गए थे. उधर सब वो बाकी के जो भी कुछ प्रेयर के रिचुअल्स होते हैं वो सब खत्म होने के बाद दिस बॉय खड़े होके he narrated this song, I Walk with the King Meher Baba. It was as if to say that now his grandfather is walking with the Lord, you know, or it was a direct connect to all of us present at the funeral. और सभी के आंखों में आंसू थे. So this is one thing which I have remembered very well. It has registered in my pager, or I just wanted to share this. Thank you.
I'd agree because this have such beautiful lyrics and the moment we actually prepared this song specially for the last day, the celebration night of our Sevas, and this was something special. Everybody and every one of us wanted to contribute, and it was just for Baba. We were told that we are singing this just for Baba. On the day, as you shared, so I suddenly, it come to my mind that I should also share how special and how loving song and how absolutely favorite song one of my favorite song this is. So we all prepared and we presented it on the celebration night, and Janice Dee was also there with us. She also uh, she also was there. uh, After singing, while I was singing, we were into the auditorium, and it is a big auditorium there. So I could actually, while I was singing, it was so powerful and so gracious that I could see, I could feel that Baba is sitting right, there in the audience, and he is listening to our song. And we saw there were two songs we sung this, and at the moment it was ended, I went outside and I just holded myself, and I just couldn't believe it. That song gave me some sort of power and energy, and I could feel the presence of Baba over there. That is how this is so special, so special. So yeah, again, coming back, um, there are a few more incidents which I would like to share. Um, Amar Tithi, it is about Amar Tithi, which happened this year. Um, I never got a chance to be in Amar Tithi. I've just overheard it. My mother kept telling me, Amar Tithi hoti hai this day, Baba dropped his physical form. And ये जी आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
एक पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप ये मदर मदर बोल रहे हैं, हाउ डिड योर मदर कनेक्ट विथ मेहर बाबा? वेरी ब्रीफली थोड़ा हमें बता दीजिए.
For sure. So there is a person. His name is Narayan Gavande. He is from Amravati, and my mother happens to be from Amravati. Um, so in Amravati Center, this person was accountant, and at that point of time, now he's not. So Narayan Gavande is my mother's chacha. वो चाचा हैं मेरी मम्मी के. So this person is related. He is a Baba lover. So through him, my mother um, became a Baba lover. And every time we go to Amravati, this is the only center me and my mother could go to, because we don't have any center here in Bhilai. I don't think there is any center across Chhattisgarh. There is no center. Um, and every time when we meet, I would say I call him Azoba, I call him my grandfather. So he would share things and experiences, because he is very much connected to the center and to every event which happens in Mehrabad. He is constantly connected. So this is how my mother was introduced, and through my mother I was introduced.
Okay.
Yeah. So coming back, Amar Tithi. So I never attended. मम्मी ने बताया कि अमर तिथि होता है, बाबा ने अपना physical form drop किया था, and it is an actual event which happens in Mehrabad. बहुत ज्यादा संख्या में लोग आते हैं. There is a huge rush towards to attend this event. And मैंने कभी इसके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दिया था. Just because I attended सहवास के बारे में भी I've heard, but I overheard it कि होता है कुछ मेहराबाद में. And by Baba's grace, I think Baba's timing is perfect. It's spot on. So everything happens with Baba's grace, and his timing is perfect. So he wanted me to go on the Sehwas and to have that sort of experience which make me believe कि Baba existence में है. He is present. He is present throughout. He is there for us. Though he's working, but we are into ignorance, completely in a different zone. Baba is the one who guides us. So I've been very lucky enough to attend this Amar Tithi. I again went there with my sister. I was accompanied by my sister Mrinal, and we didn't went there as a volunteer. We just went there as pilgrimage. There were options, but we just wanted to have a fair look how Amar Tithi looks like. What kinds of thing happens, how things are arranged. what sort of events happens, how many people are there, how things roll and flow. This is what we wanted to look, and we just went. ऐसे ही चले गए. So everyone, again from our sevas and other people whom we know, they were saying, why you guys are not here as volunteers? And we were like, what sort of difference does that make? Volunteering, ठीक है, जिसको करना है वो कर रहे हैं, और जिसको नहीं करना है वो नहीं कर. But they were emphasizing on the fact that you should volunteer in Amar Tithi. That itself is a total pull together, it's a different experience. You should have it on. And by listening to this thing again and again by so many Baba lovers, me and my sister again were having conversations that हमें as a volunteer ही आना चाहिए था. हमें ऐसा, ठीक है, next time we will definitely come as a volunteer. So what happens is, again we are on Samadhi, and one of the person who was in our first sevas and second sevas also, he come up to me. We were standing right in front of Baba's room, and he just come up and he asked, do you want to do any kind of duty if there are any opportunity given to you? And I was all surprised, and I was saying, that was running in my mind कि मुझे duty करनी है, मुझे any contribution which I could give. मैं इतना सब यहाँ हो रहा है, मेरा छोटा सा एक contribution अगर हो सकता है तो, though I am not a official volunteer, but then कुछ करने मिल सकता है क्या? And this boy showed up. And he said, and immediately to this question, I said, yes, absolutely, I would like to do whatever I will be offered to. And they say, okay, let me just check, and I'll check up if there is any slots and timing available for duty. And he was gone. After few hours, I got a call that you have been provided with a slot in duty, and you get a job to do in Baba's room, and that would be in midnight. And I said, yes, I'm absolutely fine with that. And he said, your sister is also, if she's available, she can also do that. So both of us, just went on and we did that duty. And we were surprised because people were saying, how could you were standing there? And to get Baba's room's duty, it is not that easy. It is, मतलब इतना आसान नहीं है वो ड्यूटी मिलना, इतने इजीली किसी को नहीं मिलता है. How come you guys were doing that? And we were that, and then I could feel that it truly is, it was Baba's grace. It was Baba's through Baba's will that we were doing duty. Maybe he wanted to show us, or to have that wisdom that in every bit you do, you should get engrossed. And that was our introduction to Amar City and how things roll. This is how it went. And the second day also we did that duty to in Baba's room. So so the importance we get to know about volunteering, and next time me and my sister definitely would go as a volunteer and we would contribute.
किसी को कुछ पूछना है अमर तिथि के बारे में? Does anyone want to ask anything so far? Okay. I don't know if I should repeat this. मैंने बहुत टाइम सेंटर पे ये बताया था. ये मेरे खुद का जो एक अनुभव है अमर तिथि का, वो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. This is about 15-20 साल पहले की बात है. Perhaps even more than that. And उस समय मैं हमेशा ये जो 3 दिन है, 30, 31st and 1st, ऐसे 3 दिनों की छुट्टी हमेशा मुझे सैंक्शन हो जाती थी. एंड आई वुड जस्ट लैंड अप एट मेहराबाद. और उस समय मेहराबाद में क्या होता था कि देयर वाज अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम इन द आफ्टरनून कि वहाँ सारी विमेन मंडली बाबा के दर्शन के लिए आते थे. आफ्टर दे वुड फिनिश देयर दर्शन, वो उन लोग वापस चल के आके या तो वो सभा मंडप में बैठते थे या तो वो पीछे के जो क्वार्टर्स है वहां पे चले जाते थे. तो मुझे ये एक तरह की ड्यूटी दी गई थी कि वो क्राउड कंट्रोल करने के लिए कि कोई लोग उनको सताए नहीं यानी नॉट बॉदर देम टू मच. एंड तो वो हमेशा मैं 3-4 सालों से ये करता था. तो इस साल भी उस साल भी वैसे ही हुआ. एंड द थिंग गॉट फिनिश्ड. उन लोग सब अपने अपने जगह पे बैठ गए वगैरह वगैरह. आई हैड नथिंग मोर टू डू. एंड इट वाज बिफोर ये जो 12 बजे के पहले का जो समय है उस दरमियान की बात है. तो मेरे दिमाग में आया कि अभी ये सब बहुत हो गया मत्था फोरी. Now you sit down and concentrate and focus on Baba and Baba alone. So naturally उस समय everything was jam packed. कहीं पे खड़े रहने या बैठने की जगह बिल्कुल नहीं थी. So मैं कैसे भी करके I went up to the Bombay group के जो लोग थे वहाँ बैठे थे उनके पास गया. तो of course they accommodated me. वो खिसक के मुझे बैठाया. लेकिन वो सब गपशप शुरू हो गया. अरे आज तूने नाश्ते में क्या खाया ने कितने बैदे खाए ने क्या किया ने. And I didn't want any of that nonsense. I wanted to focus on Baba. So मैं चुपचाप वहां से निकल के. Then there was this another Navsari group whom I knew some people. वहां जाके खड़ा रहा तो अरे सैम तू कभी आया था ने किधर से आया ने बस में आया कि ट्रेन में आया and all this nonsense went on. I was finally quite frustrated. मैं वो पता नहीं अभी if I can describe it correctly. वो वहां पे जो वो ग्रीन गेट है ना लकड़े का दैट बिग ग्रीन गेट टुवर्ड्स द राइट ऑफ द समाधि. वहां पे देयर वाज अ ग्रुप ऑफ women ladies sitting there. All of them were from Andhra. Okay. तो उसमें 2-4 जेंट्स भी थे. तो मैं ऐसे ही वो खिसका के वो जमीन पे बैठ गया वहां पे. द एडवांटेज वाज कि उन लोग जो भी बोलते थे वो मैं नहीं समझ पाता था और मैं तो किसी से बोलना ही नहीं चाहता था. सो आई कुड सिट डाउन क्वाइटली एंड फोकस ऑन बाबा.
Yeah.
तो वैसे ही सब चीज ये शुरू हुई. और जैसे ही वो स्टेज पे से सिग्नल आई कि अभी साइलेंस ऑब्जर्व करने का अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय बोल के वो स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग साइलेंस. जैसे ही साइलेंस शुरू हुआ तो आई स्टार्टेड getting this beautiful vision. विजन किसको कहते हैं कि जब तुम आंख खुली रख के सपना देखते हो उसको विजन कहते हैं. यानी कि यू आर नॉट ड्रीमिंग बट इट इज हैपनिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. तो उसमें क्या हो गया. आई सडनली सी बाबा एंड एरज एट दैट ग्रीन गेट जो जहाँ पे से मैं घुसा था वहीं पे वो ग्रीन गेट पे ये दोनों खड़े हैं. एंड बाबा अपनी स्टाइल में ही नजिज एरज कि चलो हम अंदर जाते हैं. और एरज कह रहा है कि भाई यहाँ पे कोई जगह नहीं है सब भरा हुआ है. बाबा से डोंट वरी तू चल. सो दे बोथ ऑफ देम आई डोंट नो हाउ दे मैनेज बट वो आके वो सभा मंडप तक पहुंच गए. एंड देन एरज बाबा सेज आई वांट टू गेट ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. तो एरज उनको हाथ देके कैसे भी करके वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे खड़े रह गए. At that moment, this idiot Sam Patel, this is all in the vision, huh? He could not contain himself, so he runs and he tells Eeraj, अरे आप लोग कहाँ यहाँ पे आके खड़े रह गए. ये इतनी क्राउड है. अगर सब लोग ने आपको देख लिया तो there will be stampede and ये ने वो ने. तो Eeraj gave me such a funny look, as if to say कि you idiot, जस्ट चुपचाप खड़े रहे और जो कुछ हो रहा है सब देख रहे. So finally I just shut up and stood behind them. वैसे ही चुपचाप में खड़े रहा. And I could see Baba in all his glory, going around in all directions, sending off his blessings, to the millions of crowds, not millions, but the thousands of crowds that were sitting there. और वो सब गोल गोल घूम के सबको blessings भेज रहे थे. I was really, really not just impressed, I was just moved कि ये what a beautiful sight that was. फिर वो that silence thing lasts for 15 minutes or so. तो वो जो बाकी के 4-5 मिनट होंगे उस समय Baba again nudges Eraj कि चलो now let's go. So Eraj helps Baba get down from that platform. And पता नहीं कैसे how they managed to walk through that whole crowd, उन लोग समाधि की तरफ जाते हैं. ओके, तो ये लल्लू सैम पटेल भी पीछे पीछे भागता है. एंड आई सी बाबा एंटर द समाधि. पहले वो एक्सक्यूज मी समाधि के थ्रेशोल्ड को he bows down at the threshold, Baba himself. Then he gets in, and I distinctly remember he goes in from the left hand side. फिर वो ऊपर प्लेटफॉर्म पे एरज हाथ देके उनको चढ़ाते हैं. एंड ही कम्स टूवर्ड्स दैट विंडो, जो छोटी सी एक खिड़की है वहां पे. एंड देन टू माय अमेजमेंट, वो जो ऊपर जो मार्बल का पूरा पत्थर है ना, where it is written I have come not to teach but to awaken, and the dates and वगैरह वगैरह, that stone he just lifts it up. जैसे कि हम लोग कोई डब्बा खोलते हैं या ये लैपटॉप का ढक्कन नहीं खोलते हैं, वैसे बाबा ने खोल के ऐसे किया. एंड ही स्लाइड्स इनटू इट और अंदर लेट जाते हैं. ही इज लाइंग डाउन एंड देन ही इज टेलिंग एरज कि अभी बंद कर दे. नाउ दैट स्टोन इज नॉट समथिंग वेयर बंद कर दे बोला तो फटाक से बंद हो जाए. इट्स अ हेवी ब्लडी थिंग एंड इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू कैरी. तो एरज मेरे को बुलाते हैं कि कम एंड गिव मी अ हैंड, ये वो. तो हम लोग बहुत मुश्किल से विद ग्रेट एफर्ट ऐसे वो उसको वापस वो ढक्कन की तरह बंद करने के लिए स्लोली वी आर ट्राइंग टू लोअर इट डाउन. जैसे ही थोड़ा गैप था तो आई पीप्ड इनसाइड फॉर अ लास्ट ग्लिम्स. और उस समय बाबा ने इशारे से मुझको कहा, टेल देम व्हाट यू सॉ. 3 दफे ये वो इशारा किया, टेल देम व्हाट यू सॉ, टेल देम व्हाट यू सॉ. और फिर वो फटाक से वो पत्थर बंद हो गया. एंड दैट साइलेंस वाज ओवर एंड अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय हो गई. और इधर वो एंडी गिंडे में सब वो आंध्रा का गड़बड़ सरबर शुरू हो गया. And I came out of that daze and that vision and everything, and I was back to square one. वो पागल की तरह वहां पे मैं बैठा था. So this was one of my most memorable gifts ever from Baba. I just thought I'd share it. Thank you. Sorry for taking your time.
No, absolutely fine. And I think Baba wanted me to know this from you. I am completely stunned and I have goosebumps. Thank you for sharing, Sam Uncle.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you.
Thank you, beloved Baba.
अच्छा, अभी जल्दी जल्दी बता दे. There's not much time. Sorry.
Yeah, we are approaching to the end. That was all from my side, and I think I've shared my journey. This is how I came to know Baba, and this is how my journey is going on. And I've realized over time that Baba has his own way, his own timings where he wants us to know things and to do things for him, for him. Um, this is how he is. His presence, his work, his attention, love. Baba is just beautiful. He's caring. He's loving, and at times I feel that I could talk to him. I see him eye to eye, and I ask him question कि बाबा यार ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? बाबा ये ऐसा क्यों है? And if I find myself in a difficult situation where I'm totally messed up, perplexed, where the situation and consequences are such where my mind stops working, I seek Baba's guidance. I ask him um, to give me that strength and power to hold on to his daman. It's very difficult, and this is what I've heard from many Baba lovers to just hold on to Baba's daman till the very end. This is what I pray to him, and this is where I would like to end my sharing. Thank you, beloved Baba, for
No,
every.
Amrita, not yet, please. I'm still, there is still a gap.
Okay.
When was the turning point? You never talked about the turning point.
My turning
Secondly,
point.
okay,
Yeah.
first finish quickly. First finish that.
Okay, my turning point, as I told you that the belief which I wanted, the firm belief and the solid proof where Baba makes me believe he is, I got in my first Sevas, 2022 last year. That was my turning point. Before that, I was just doing prayers for the sake of doing, for the sake of my mother, just to satisfy her that she believes so firmly, and she says everything. Baba is doing everything. कुछ नहीं अच्छा हो रहा है, she would say बाबा है जो नहीं चाहते ये होना. अगर मैं गुस्से में हूँ, अगर कोई सिचुएशन आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जा रही है, मदर वुड से ये बाबा ये जो करवा रहे हैं, बाबा की इच्छा. एंड दिस इज व्हाट I was listening to. That was the turning point. The experience which I had in Samadhi, the firmness I got. So yeah, that was the very experience I had, and because of which I started believing in Baba.
Was Savas the very first visit of yours?
No, I've been to Mehrabad when I was young. I was a kid, 3 to 4 times, but that was just because my mother was taking a tour for me. कि ठीक है, अच्छी जगह है, बहुत silent place है, you feel good. That is what my experience with Mehrabad was like. And बहुत सारे foreigners आते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है उनसे बात करना, उनको देखना. That's that's it.
Something about the Savas.
You
Anything
want to
else? Yeah.
from Sevas?
Yes, for the 2 Savas that you've attended, something you
First
can.
was,
Go ahead, sorry.
no, please ask. फ्रॉम सहवास आई वुड से जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया, सहवास अपने आप में एक बहुत अलग एक्सपीरियंस है और ये सालों से चलता आ रहा है. और बाबा ने ये स्टार्ट किया था. एंड लकी आर दोज हु गेट द चांस टू बी इन सहवास एंड अटेंड एंड टू एक्चुअली बी इन प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज दो 7 days फ्रॉम माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस आई वुड से, वो 7 दिन जो मेरा पहला सहवास था, though everything is present, we are in technical era. हम ऐसे जगह पे हैं जहाँ ऑनलाइन सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. So Baba के recorded songs, events, everything was present in Google, and in YouTube. So I had a chance to go and visit those videos, but I did it on purpose. I never went on that videos कि क्या होता है सहवास में. I wanted to experience it by my own. And yes, thank you for asking me this question. From first सहवास, I remember uh, I did my reservations for सहवास. That too 3 to 4 months back, we were supposed to travel by train, and what happened is, from my place where I stay in Bhilai, we had to change 2 trains, and one train was delayed by almost 18 hours. And because of this, the time where we were supposed to reach to Mehrabad, we were about to reach to Mehrabad early in the morning for day one, to attend the day one of Sevas. And because of our delayed in the train schedule, we reached there when the first day was almost about to end. At that time, we reached to the Sevas, and it was all Baba's wish. Yeah, this incident happened in our first Sevas. We missed our day one activities and day one of Sevas. But it was all covered up because all those 7 days we were engrossed, and I was cut off to the outer world, to the phone calls, to family members. There were no other thoughts, no other कोई परेशानी नहीं थी, कोई चिंता नहीं था. All the one thing which I had was Baba. It was all Baba, and abhi bhi I vividly remember all the memories, and I really thank Baba for providing me the chance to be in Sevas.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Amrita. Lovely sharing, lovely sharing. Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Samsung, raise the hand. Go ahead. Whosoever the Samsung is. Please go ahead and ask your question or whatever.
Yeah, that's me, Archana. Jai Baba, Sam.
Hello. Jara loudly, please.
That's me, Archana.
हाँ
Jai
जी.
Baba. Archana Grover.
Hi, Jai Baba Archana.
Jai Baba. Yeah. So,
बोलिए.
Amrita, it's really nice listening to you. I had a question.
Yeah,
As
please go ahead. Please go ahead.
said, as a child, you visited Mehrabad a couple of times with your mom, and it was more like a picnic and peaceful place. You visited and came back. What are your feelings now when you visit Mehrabad? What feelings overcome you when you're there now?
Now, well, that's a really nice question. Thank you for asking it. Now, it's a complete different scenario. It's totally, opposite to what it was back then. Now, I really feel I pray to Baba that if I have a scheduled planned visit to Mehrabad, and हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि बाबा की इच्छा होती है तभी आप वहां जाते हैं. No one can just go there without Baba's will. So I always pray to Baba कि अगर मैं please make me come to Mehrabad more and more, so that all these years which I've spent in ignorance, I just come closer to you. I get a chance to know more about you, and I get the opportunity to be there, to live there, and to meet people, to meet Baba lovers. So I look for it every time. Yeah.
Yeah, but
I
is
just-
there any particular feeling which overwhelms you when you have this thought that you're going to visit and you've reached Mehrabad?
I'm always excited to be there because I've not been there, many times. It was not a frequent activity for me to go to Mehrabad. So I feel, yeah, in Sehbaz there were a couple of activities which we did, and it reminds me that chance we get, that is because of Baba. We were lucky enough to paint the tunnels, and this time and the second Sehbaz, we got a chance to have a memento which we want to present, just a small picture which everybody would like to paint it. So we got a chance to paint the tunnel, and we got a chance to make a small picture from our end, whatever comes to our mind or whatever we want to imprint there, that will last forever. So yeah, I like to see and revisit that place where I got to paint. Everything is just so special being in Mehrabad, and you yourself has done something. It's a little contribution जो वहाँ हमेशा रहेगा. So yeah, this is what fascinates me, and I really look forward to go there again and again.
Great, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Go ahead and ask questions. Don't feel shy. Okay. वक्त हो गया है. It's 4 minutes past 7. बाबा से माफी चाहते हैं कि हम 4 मिनट एक्सटेंड किए. Earlier, we used to go on till 7:15, 7:30. ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग होता था तो चलते रहते थे. लेकिन during one of these Thursday meetings, one of an old time Baba lovers pointed out very nicely कि आप जो भी टाइम अनाउंस करते हैं, यानी कि from 6 to 7, that is, Baba said, that is my time. You are doing it for me. उसके आगे जो भी कुछ करते हो, it is all for you. तुम्हारे मन की मर्जी के मुताबिक है. Because I leave at the given time, which proves कि वो 6 से 7 बजे तक हमारे सबके बीच मौजूद थे. And I couldn't ask for anything more than to have his presence, his maujudgi amongst us. And with that thought, we will now break into prayers and aarti. Thank you.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. हे परवरदिगार, सबके राखनहार और सबकी रक्षा करने वाले, तुम्हारा कोई आदि नहीं है और न तुम्हारा कोई अंत है. तुम अद्वैत हो, तुम तुलना से परे हो और तुम्हारा पार कोई नहीं पा सकता है. तुम्हारा कोई रंग और कोई रूप नहीं है. तुम अविर्भव से रहित हो और तुम गुणातीत हो. तुम अपार हो और अगाध हो, कल्पना और धारणा से परे हो, शाश्वत और अनश्वर हो. तुम अखंडीय हो और दिव्य नेत्रों के सिवाय और किसी भी प्रकार से तुम्हें कोई नहीं देख सकता है. तुम्हारा अस्तित्व सदैव था, तुम सदैव रहते हो और तुम सदैव रहोगे. तुम सर्वत्र हो, तुम हर वस्तु में हो और तुम हर जगह से परे तथा हर वस्तु से परे भी हो. तुम आकाश में हो और पाताल में हो. तुम व्यक्त हो और अव्यक्त हो. तुम सब लोगों पर हो और समस्त लोगों से परे भी हो. तुम तीनों भुवनों में हो और तीनों भुवनों से परे भी हो। तुम अगोचर और स्वतंत्र हो। तुम सृष्टि के रचने वाले हो, स्वामियों के स्वामी हो, समस्त मनों और हृदयों के ज्ञाता हो। तुम सर्वशक्तिमान हो और सर्वव्यापी हो। तुम अनंत ज्ञान हो, अनंत शक्ति हो और अनंत आनंद हो। तुम ज्ञान के महासागर हो, सर्वज्ञ हो, अनंत ज्ञान रखने वाले हो। तुम भूत, वर्तमान और भविष्य के ज्ञाता हो और तुम स्वयं ज्ञान हो। तुम पूर्ण दयामय हो और सदैव हितकारी हो। तुम आत्माओं की आत्मा हो और अनंत गुणों से संपूर्ण एक परमात्मा हो। तुम सत्य, ज्ञान और परमानंद की त्रिमूर्ति हो। तुम सत्य के मूल हो, प्रेम के महासागर हो। तुम सनातन सत्ता हो, ऊंचों में सबसे ऊंचे हो। तुम प्रभु और परमेश्वर हो। तुम पर ब्रह्म हो और परात्परी पर ब्रह्म भी हो। तुम पर ब्रह्म परमात्मा हो, अल्लाह हो, इलाही हो, यजदान हो और मस्त हो और प्रियतम ईश्वर हो। तुम्हारा नाम यजत अर्थात एकमात्र पूज्य है। हे असीम दया के निधि प्रभुराज, हम अपने सब पापों के लिए पश्चाताप करते हैं। हर एक विचार के लिए जो असत्य, अनुचित या गंदा था, हर एक बोले हुए शब्द के लिए जिसे बोलना हमें उचित न था, और हर एक कर्म के लिए जिसे करना हमें उचित न था। स्वार्थ से प्रेरित हर एक कर्म, शब्द और विचार के लिए तथा देश प्रेरित हर एक कर्म, शब्द और विचार के लिए हम पश्चाताप करते हैं। विशेषकर हर एक कामुक विचार तथा क्रिया के लिए, ऐसे हर एक वचन के लिए जिसको हमने पूरा नहीं किया, और सभी निंदा, पाखंड, दंभ या लोगों के पीछे उनके दोष बताने के लिए हम अनुताप करते हैं। और खासकर दूसरों का नाश करने वाले हर एक कर्म के लिए, दूसरों को दुख देने वाले हर एक शब्द तथा कर्म के लिए तथा दूसरों पर दुख गिरने की इच्छा करने के लिए हम अनुताप करते हैं। हे प्रभुराज, आप हम पर असीम दया करके हमारे किए हुए पापों को क्षमा कीजिए, और वैसे ही आपकी मर्जी के अनुसार विचार करने में, बोलने में तथा कार्य करने में जो हमारी असमर्थता सदा रहती आई है, उसको भी क्षमा कीजिए। यही हमारी आपसे प्रार्थना है। प्रियतम परमात्मा, हमारी ऐसी सहायता कर कि हम तुझसे अधिक और अधिक प्रेम करें, और अधिक और अधिक, और फिर भी उससे भी अधिक प्रेम करें, जब तक कि हम तुझ में मिलकर एक हो जाने के पात्र बन जाए। और तू हम सबकी ऐसी सहायता कर कि हम अंत अंत तक प्रियतम बाबा का दामन दुर्दास से पकड़े रहे। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
बुझावे नार जहलत नीए कर खुद रत्न फरमातु छलागी आश भक्तों ने के बख्शे नूरे मातु अयामुर शाद मेहर बाबा चरण पर तुझ न धरिए सर खुदाना जात थी वाके फतही वे तो मेहर बातू तुझे माँ दीख हकीकत नो तु आशे पीने आरे भी तुझे दरी आए वह मारे फतनो होई तूफान तू अमोर है रखने ऐसा लेख बखजे ज्ञान इज्जत नु के तुझ पर महात्मा ज्ञानी छने मो तारे इरफा तू खुदाना प्रेम नो प्यालो पिलावी मस्त अमने कर छे तुझ पर जान सदके साखिया पी दे पैमा तू हमारी नाव भर तरिए तरावे तो अमे तरिए खुदा ए मेहर बाबा चैनी गे तू हमारा खुदा ए मेहर बाबा चैनी गे तू जावे नार जहलतनी ए कर कुद रत्न परमातु लागी भक्तों ने के बख्शे नूरे मातु अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. O glorious eternal ancient one, your face is a bright transcendental sun. Lighten this dark world and the tears I weep. My heart meher I give to you to keep. Creator yet creationless you are. Truth and truth's body, divine avatar. O true compassion the three worlds maintains. Destroy this ignorance that life sustains. These five lights are the whirling spokes of breath of the whirlwheel that bears me on to death. Unless you who are infinitely kind break the wheels up which is conditioned mind. You are my heart, which to please you I have shaped from my heart. Accept them as you would a simple flower that has no use beyond its shining hour. You are myself, I sing to you in praise and beg your love to bear me through the days till you, the ever living perfect one, illume my darkness with your shining sun. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय.
Jai Baba, everybody. Thank you very much for participating in today's program, which now concludes. All I have to say is take Baba with you and keep him with you. Jai Baba.
Meher Baba.